Do you ever feel lost when a native speaker talks at lightning speed? Or maybe you're watching a movie and bam, you totally missed the joke because it wasn't in your textbook? Hey there, I'm PJ, and welcome to Easy English with PJ. If you're tired of stiff, unnatural English lessons, you're in the right place. Here, we skip the grammar drills and focus on real English, the kind people actually use in daily life. What makes this channel different? Every episode's based on real-life conversations, the kind of English people actually use. You'll join people talking at work, grabbing coffee at a cafe, checking in at the airport, or just hanging out at home. You'll hear how English really sounds in everyday life, without me interrupting the flow. What do we talk about? Pretty much everything. Daily routines, food and drinks, shopping, school, work, travel, health, entertainment, family, friends, money, weather, technology, sports, goal, celebrations, emotions, and emergencies. If it happens in life, we talk about it. Alongside these natural conversations, I also post short 2 to 3 minutes videos on vocabulary, idioms, slang, phrasal verbs. Each one includes a simple definition and example, so you can start using them right away. Think of them as your English power-ups, quick, fun, and super useful. How to use this channel. Each main conversation episode is about 20 to 25 minutes, perfect for your commute, your workout, your walk, or just a relaxing moment at home. Just listen once, then again tomorrow, and again next week. That kind of repetition is what helps your brain naturally absorb English, just like how you learned your first language. So, ready to level up your English? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. New conversation episodes every week, plus slang and idiom videos throughout the week. Because the best way to learn English is to live it. See you in the next video.